Arambe, Arambe, Arambe.
Get two records.
Kavango wakara no mema nalivu yali wave Nitondo musho nilinyango na vikorama Kavango.
Honorable Chairperson, before I start with my State of the Region address, let me first and foremost thank the residents of Kavango East Region for the job well done that took place on the 25th of May. Really, I'm so proud to be a member, to be a leader of this region. Everyone went out to do what the head of state called upon. He wanted us to clean Namibia, and members of Namibian citizens in Kavango East region did it well, and I thank you very much. Honorable Chairperson, dear fellow Namibians and residents of Kavango East region in particular, I wish to express my great appreciation for your presence. At the same time, I want to welcome you to the State of the Region address of 2018. My sincere gratitude goes to the members of the Diplomatic Corps, Kavango East Regional Council, Rundu Town Council, Divundu Village Council, traditional authorities, religious leaders, head of institutions, our men and women in uniform, private sectors, business community, NGOs, and in general, residents of Kavango East region.
Ya mukanthire reposhi badishoni katoya urekuwa natangira nguuru mkunda ene nakatanga kaendamo muthiamba thikadodiana kutameka ng'ang'anyi mukathipuna utho mwanamibia mwaendhange no hatungimo mumkunda wa Kavango Diva ame nashana kumutongwerashi inani hafitha kumuchima eitu neya muno pano ndani kuna kumutambura kuthiambatho kutapa itundamo panaro dho uhurumende mumkunda wetu wa Kavango Diva ndani nashana kutapa matumero ange ko watu aruwa nenanga nao pofochi wa hatunda pa matunga o panunda ndango dho mkunda wa Kavango Diva, ndango dho doro padha Rundu, ndango dho doro padha Divundu, hapiter thi hopa thicho, hapiter thi homa ngirishe di hopa mpepo, hakuru homu mango etu ahurumende ukukuchaka chaka, mango ndi mitara dhetu dho kukukarera, mitara dhidha karashi badidha hame na kuhurumende ndani hatungi mowahe mkunda wa Kavango Diva.
It is an emblem of pride in our flourishing and functional constitutional democracy, which provides us with socio-political space to implement government policies and programs enabled by the constitutional democracy we are geared towards transforming and improving the living conditions of our people through effective service delivery in the context of our regional resources endowment and government interventions.
Ya eshino twakona twakara no fumwa kupitera muri video veta byo murao wetu wa Namibia omumakara u demokrasi ouna kuyenda kuutho no kuutura mwiruana eshitwe kwa tupakeho panaro dhoipara no pa politika diangondi ruvede rokutura mwiruana makurando hurumende no mirao dho hurumende muku kachinja kaguva wetu no mkarouthura uparo wao mukatapa iruana mukuruanitha iwana itwa wana panaro dho mkunda wetu ndani no makutureremo o hurumende.
Honorable Chairperson, ladies and gentlemen, effective service delivery and community involvement in the implementation of planned government projects is a motivation in achieving the 5th National Development Plan, Harambee Prosperity Plan, and our regional initiative, Operation Werengenje.
Mukatipuna uso matapero irua na kume namo ndani makutureremo haha gubawa hatunga mkunda wetu mukatura mwirua na makurando ndima proyeka tulisa pa uhurumende oka kona karete rapo makuchinjo muka kumisamo diano dio ukoko ndani diano edituna kutoya Harambee ndani ituri sapo setu twasinda mkunda efituna kutoya Werengenje.
Consistent to Article 110B, sub Article 3, 5, and 6 of the Namibian Constitution that mandates the regional governor to oversee the activities and functions of the government in the region and to be the link between the central government and the regional government. This third state of the region address, under which the success and challenges of the planned and implemented activities in the region are resorted, is within the domain of the constitutional provision.
Ya mukuka tura inui iruane mukutuara mthimingwa so difere no dikumi kamingwa na hatu kuoko ndano kuoko fochi ombi viveta dio mrao wa Namibia odhina kutapa ngamu kwa governor omkunda mukukengurura eshi ivia dhoka yoihe yo hurumende eina kuyenda mkunda wetu ndani ekukara mu pakachi ko hurumende o panaro dho tunga ndano hurumende panaro dho mkunda kuturako no hapite sipaticho osinositapa ndisi amba sokutapa mo eshi papitu nemane na mkunda wetu eshi yo twarongeka ngebidi twaitura mwiruana ikurimba munye yakara po mkunda wetu twakona keho kwiyuvitha kutwara mumarawero odiviveta dio murao wa Namibia.
Honorable Chairperson, this SORA provides an outline of the progress made and challenges faced on the implementation of the government programs, projects, and regional initiatives.
Mkatipuna uso osinose ambaso diaro kuna kutapa ndi kuna kumupaso eramo maendero kuuso mumaturero mwirua na makurando uhurumende maproyeka ndani maano eto panaro dho mkunda ngambi kengeshi kuna kumone kashitwakara no makukuto nganji pa uparo ene oitwa nongo nona omutu akengura miaka oma yerekero masherenyi omayovi mawadi no dikumi no kuoko wadi karei tware kumayovi mawadi no dikumi no kuoko hatu eshi kuna kunedha shi twaenda kuutho yoko hamena kumatungo ndi mayuo watu atenda yoko hamena mukuyeyura hanguva wetu yoko hamena mayendero kuutho opa uparo ndani ukaro mwene mukachi ketu kutwara ndi mukutwara mudiano di haturi sapo dia harambe ndani diano dio ukuoko dio panaro do ditunga ndani thirota setu foma yoma wadi no makumi mahatu.
Great. I will translate in English now. Although there are notable socio-economic constraints experienced during the period under review 2017-18 financial year, significant progress has been made with regard to infrastructures, human capital development, economic advancement, and social progression in line with the Harambee Prosperity Plan, NDP 5, and Vision 2030. I will continue. Let us remind ourselves as caring citizens of this country that Kavango East region, like other regions in this country, has fully joined the central government on its physical consolidation initiatives to cut public costs and streamline operations as driven by the Ministry of Finance. As such, we have come to learn to do more with less. We have in some areas put hold on certain projects as a temporary measure of recovery due to limited resources, while concluding others of national and regional priorities.
Twakona kewa kukuvurukisa twasinda eshitwe twakakakoa chikoti no tunga tunakukwati sako eshimkunda wetu wakavango diuva ira mkunda zokusia rako twakupakerera pofochi no uhurumende panaro do pawiru ndani no ituri samo yihaturi samo mukutepura mashere nyatu na ruan sanga kuirua na yoihe podioshi haturi sapo uministri o mashere nyi kemo karoshi atwe twakona kukuhonga mugurua na inu yoyingi no yiramo yoyipu podio keshi mumitara dhimwe twe twashaeka kutwara kuutho noma proyeka onganji panaro dhodhi fupi podioshi karetwa kukuro uthure ene twakona kurua na iwanamo oyoyo iputu dinayo muku katura mwirua na tunakumona shi yoidi mudio kupita kana imweya.
Honorable Chairperson, ladies and gentlemen, we are all aware that the current poverty rate for the region is 42.8%. Unemployment rate stands at 39.6%. The youth unemployment 37.3%. This is inconceivable given our regional resources endowment, the potential of employment creation opportunity through public-private partnership, and attraction of local and foreign investors.
Ya kenge no tunadimu kashi parveze runo kuna uhepwe o mkunda wetu kuna gaendera kepa mapersenda makuma neno mawadi noskomo na koko noi hatu mapiroro iruana kunemana pa mapersenda makuma hadu no koko no mane sikomo na koko no sofochi ndani mapiroro iruana mukachika wa mreya mrerea kunema na pamapesenda makumi mahatu no kuoko wadi no komona ihatu ino kuna kutunedhashi no iwanaitwa wanamo mumukunda wetu mauwa ndi inuitwa monanga yokona turuane kupitera mumakurando ohana kutoyashi okukupakera mbunga hano okukukarera mukukoka hapunguruthi masherenyi.
In 2017, in the 2017-18 financial year, the region was allocated 241.8 million for regional capital development projects and initiatives. While this has always not been enough, I am proud to share with you some success from implementing of these capital projects in the 2017-2018.
Omnoke mwaka o mayerekero masherenyi wa 2017-2018 mukunda wetu kwa wanine mamiliona okukuma kumathere makumi mahatu no thofochi ndani mamiliona mathere mahatu no thofochi ndani mathere kuoko hatu no mane o mamiliona kuruwa nisakeho kuma yeyukero mukundandi kuma proyeka no ituri sapo yo mukunda wetu ngambikenge shike wa masherenyi kadia adishi mengi mapu enemen di nofu mwandi kuikutana wera mukumu yubithako shi inye ya tutomboka mukukumi thamo maproyeka mumwaka o mayerekero masherenyi.
It is acknowledged generally that infrastructure is a backbone of socio-economic development of any country, region, and constituency. It is against this background that the Kavango East region has registered progress worth reporting in the following constituencies.
Nokeho twakona kuidimkashi maturi seropo o iruanitha ikarendi mayuo itavorandi keheino eshiyoko na kurera po mayeyukero pauparo mukunda wetu ndimu kehedi no tunga mukunda wetu ndimu mukunda towerero podioshi noi ya keho mudiano dietu mukunda wa Kavango diva atwe twa kuna kukona tuyuvitheshi maendero kuutho mukumu yuvitha ya hokoka mumukunda towerero zoku kuchakachaka mumukunda wetu.
I will start with Rundu Urban Constituency. What happened here? Because I see most of the Rundu people are here.
Ya panokeo ngani katange no mukunda towerero wa Rundu Doropa.
Yeah. Rundu constituency, urban constituency, there was a renovation of technical block at Noordgrens Secondary School at the cost of 1.1 million.
Eshi murundu ebeni haro usura keho mangonda kukuhongera ikuhonga yokumoko kushure dhetu dhidhakarash dha Noordgrens Secondary wa Noordgrens othotiruana thapitire keho mashere nyokuma kuma miliuna ofoch noi hupe.
Construction of abattoir in Rundu under the Ministry of Agriculture, Water and Forestry at the cost of 110 million. The construction is at 65% execution rate.
Espano hatenda karo diango diokupaira ngombe hatende nyama momno murundu odiharuana haka o ministry o unjimi meyu no makungero mfitu oia kosa ke mashere nyokuma kuma miliona dithere no dikumi karepo pantuna kwamba diango dia irua na iya pwako yakuma kuma persenda makumi kwoko no di kumi no kwoko.
Construction of new government offices under the Ministry of Information, Communication and Technology at the cost of 19.7 million. This project has been completed.
Hatenda mamberewa oa hatenda kuhamana ku Ministry of Mapathwero no nungathano oia kosa mamiliona di kumi no kwoko no mane no ihupe. O yu projeka ndio mamberewa apwa.
Construction of the regional headquarter, Ministry of Land Reform, at the cost of 3 million with 95% execution rate.
Hatenda karo mberewa dhopanaro dhomkunda ku Ministry o ku marotho ro muve iya kosa mamiliona mahatu irua na iya pwako yakuma kwa persenda di kwoko no mane no kwoko.
Last year, we also inaugurated a new police barrack here at the Kavango Hotel.
Mwaka una kapita twaya ndure manduo kurara hamaporisa opapadiango pa pakarire Kavango Motel atuto karire poruvedheru ya.
Identification and fundraising of Sawyema New Primary School is underway.
Hanongo nona karo ndi hanea diango ndani haturisa po kuponga the kamasherenyi mukaturisa po shure dhodhi pia kumkunda wa Sawyema dhopa naro dho kushindi primary.
There are other important achievements made in other sectors and state-owned enterprises in Rundu Urban constituency.
Koi dikaro iya tomboka mumaruha odhi mutara dhimwe ndani maruha hatera kamana na kuhurumende.
Noret Regional Office is under construction at the cost of 27 million with 75% execution rate.
Eshimamberewa panaro dhomkunda anore diwa hanatupanga rucheno. Eshi kengene kuna kuzitenda hana kuzitenda edhiza kukosa mamiliona makumi mawadi no kwoko no mawadi karepo pana irua na iya pwako makumi kwoko no makumi mawadi no kwoko.
The ongoing construction of Rundu Vocational Center Agriculture Campus for Agri-Vet program at the cost of 3 million. This project is still at the infancy stage.
Ndani kuna kuyendapo mukuka roufura ndi ka roufura diango dietu kutwako hako hongeranga hanuke mumkunda wetu irua na yokumoko okuhana katuru sapo diango mukatambura hanuke hakaku hongere inu yo unjimi kudiango dia iya kupita mamiliona kuma hatu ene oyu proyeka ndi makurando washime adi panaro voka mbututu.
Renovation and revamping of NBC Wato FM regional office at the cost of 400,000. This project is completed.
Ndani maro fuero odi angodi etundiku NBC Wato okuyaha na saira nga mambuzi eshkuna kuna kuthi rothura ndi hathi rothura kare masheri nyadha kosire kwa kuminike kumayovi mafere mane.
UNAM Rundu campus renovation and revamping of the lecture halls and tennis court at the cost of 400,000 with 95% execution rate.
Eshidiango dio University wa Namibia Murundu na dio hadi rothura no kureta kuma kuchinjo nganji kuma yuaya manduo kuhongera ndi mangonda kuhongera ndani haturisa pakapare ko kupepera tuteni ya kukosa mashere nyokukuma ku mayovi mafere mane karepo pana irua na iya pwako inakakuma ke kuma persenda makumi kwoko no mane no kwoko.
Construction of 2 new Namwater water reservoir at the cost of 52 million. The project is completed.
ndani hatenda mandama mawadi haka namu wota okupungira meyu modoro pa dharundu oya kosa mamiliona makumi kuokono mawadi oya proyeka apwa hamumana.
We move on to Ndonga Linena constituency.
Kuna kurundurukera keho mkunda towerero wa Ndonga Linena.
Electrification of Kaguva Primary School project is completed.
Matapero rucheno kushure da Kaguva primary shure do primary oya proyeka hamumana apwa.
Construction of the prefabricated clinic at Ndonga Linena project is also completed.
Ndani maturtheropo kutenda kliniki no irua nithayo kununga kundonga Linena proyeka yanaye apwa.
The construction of the Hompa Kasian Siambi Nam Power Substation is also completed.
Eshi matendero kangoana ka Nam Power oka hata dinashi Hompa Kasian Siambi nako proyeka yanaye hamumana apwa.
Construction of boreholes and 4-kilometer pipeline at Shikenge village by aqua drilling was donated to the community, and it's also completed.
Hamborora mbora no kuturisapo ma dhimiyengo do meyu do kuma kilomita mane kumkunda wa Shikenge oyi haruane haka aqua drilling ho haitapa kwa watungi momo mkundao ya nayo yapa kuruana.
We move on to Ndiona constituency.
Kuna kurundurukera mkunda towerero wa Ndiona.
Construction of staff accommodation at Ndiona Directorate of Veterinary at the cost of 5 million with 90% execution rate.
Ya matendero o mayuo kurara kundiona oyi nakwatera moshi haka kukunga imuna oyi yakosa keho mamiliona makuoko ndani karepopa no tuna kunaendera ma persenda hana mana ko thothiruana na kuna makumi kuoko no mane.
Provision of services, that is construction and installation of oxidation pond, sewer, water, roads and electricity in Ndiona settlement is underway.
Matapero iruana maturtheropo o diango dioku yenda meyo mamango mapeipo mokupitira meyo mamango meyo mawa mandira marucheno mumukunda kutunga wa Ndiona hairuana.
Office and accommodation for staff members of the Ministry of Environment and Tourism and Kodom Phase 1 is completed.
Mamberewa no mango kurara kwa waharuana mu ministry o mkunda no hadinguri yapo akuruana kukodom.
All diesel pump machines of villages that resides in the conservancies were replaced with solar panels.
Kuningashi mapomba o dishere o haruan thanga mumango muyahana kungeranga haka mkunda yamandi ma conservancy ha shwaithako ho haturako rucheno rokushwaera kudiyua.
We move on to Rundu rural constituency.
Kuna kuyenda ke kumkunda wa Rundu okumambo.
Drilling and installation of 1 borehole at Mayana village, supported by European Union and implemented by Namibia Red Cross, is completed.
Hamborora nokturi sapo mbora kumkunda wa Mayana mu Rundu okumambo oyu okuha kwatisireko hama matunga kupakira ya Europa ndani haiturire muthiruana haka mbunga vituna kutoya shi Red Cross.
There's also a pilot project of renewable energy targeting 100 people or 100 families at the cost of 300,000. this project is completed.
Ndani proyeka ko adikaro okuyereka eshingepidi okuruwa nsaru chenoru ya roku kumukuruka rwathinda rohana kupwapa wangu eshi madhiko kuma kudifere hawa hati theramo oyokehone kwa kosa mashere nyokukuma ku mayovi mafere mahatu ndani yo proyeka hapo akuruana.
The office complex at Uvunguvungu Green Scheme has been revamped and it is completed.
Kuningashi mamberewa oku Uvunguvungu kuya hanaruana nga ujimi ao ha bamaura hatendera hapo mamberewa o mapiapia.
And then the construction of modern greenhouse for horticulture in Uvunguvungu Green Scheme has been completed.
Kuvunguvungu karo hatenda kodintuo dishokuru moko fudherera ujimi moko fudhera ruivi makapsi karote noimwe yokenge.
Now we move on to Mukwe constituency.
Kuna kuyenda keho kumukwe.
Renovation of Mukwe Circuit office and staff accommodation under the leadership or under the Director of Education at the cost of 103,000 Namibian dollar project was completed.
Shmaro thuero mberewa panaro dopa mumukwe doma kuhongo ndani no mararo eshiyo yapake kuruwa na kupitera mu makuhongo ndi mu directorate makuhongo oyi yakosa keho ma yovi difere no mahatu ndani yo proyeka yo hamana kumuruana.
The construction of palisade fence at Divundu Logistic Park under the leadership of the Ministry of Industrialization, Trade and SME Development. This project is ongoing with 65% execution rate for phase 1.
Eshi hatenda ndarata doikuvo kudivundu eshi odo diango dimbo di dekarashi dio upungwero inu yoku thia edidi di mapiter thero ministry o nangeshefa no mayekero o yu proyeka kuna kuyenda shime kutho enekarepo pano irua na iya pako kuna kumu mapersenda makumi kwoko no di kumi no kwoko ndani yane dingenyu mutara okutangerera.
The relocation and construction of Andara Oxidation Pond at the cost of 4 million done by the Directorate of Health and Social Services. This project is also completed.
Ya mavirusero no matendero odiango doku yenda meyu o mamango ku Andara ya kosa mamiliona mane oike kwa pitera mu ministry onjewano ukaromwene oyo proyeka apwa kuruana.
The construction of the warehouse of the beekeeping project in Omega 1 at the cost of 600,000. This is the project of Kavango Regional Council and it is also completed.
Mature repo nduo do pungwero ndi ko Omega kumkundawa Omega kutanga ndi ko Omega 1 ko ya proyeka yao wahana hakara no muka hamuna hawane ko wiki hawatendra kedi adinduo edidia kosa mayovyo kuma thero kwoko fochi oyo proyeka ne kwa Peter Sandango za Kavango Diva ndani yo proyeka apwa kuruana.
In the construction of Muhembo Border Post Church Office and Police Barracks at the cost of 1.6 million with a 65% execution rate by the Ministry of Service, Safety and Security.
Diango kumuyinda wa Namibia na Botswana dito yanga Muhembo Border Post hatura ko diango de kurua na maporisa manduo kurara maporisa ya kosa miliona fochi no yupe karepo pano mapershenda kuma kwoko no di kumi no kwoko hamana ko iruana yapo oyo kuna kupitira keho mu ministry o horo.
We come to Machaare constituency.
Kuna kuyake mu mkunda wa Machaare.
During the year under review, only three boreholes were installed in the Machaare constituency.
Kukenga mu myaka vino tuna kukengura kuna kumone kashi mambora mahatungenyu hamborora no kutura mwiruana mu mkunda wa Machaare.
And I must explain here, it is part of the gift that was given by the South African government for the relief of drought, for the program of drought relief.
Shinakona kuchosa sapa anoshi maamweno aya mambora kwa shua ere kungurumende wa Afrika ukuma mukutu wa mwena ruvedheru yatwa karire no ukukutu or kukutu.
And it's not only given to Kavango East region, it was also given to other regions, other 4 regions. I will mention it later.
Ya badi kwa itapire vene kumkunda wetu wa Kavango Diva ene hatapire karo kumkunda vimwe muno Namibia nganye nikaimu yudhisengenyu ndio dituna kuyenda kuuso.
And there was also the drilling and installation of the boreholes at Mpapama village donated by Machaare Lodge.
Momo Machaare ha mborore mombora no kuzitura mwiruana pamkunda wa Mpapama odhombora mashere nyi kwa tapire keho haka o Machaare Lodge.
And there was also the installation of water pipelines from Mpapama to Runjarara, a distance of 5 kilometers.
Aturisire pomkaro di muduzo meyu tundera kumkunda wa Mpapama kare kurunjarara iya kwatera moshi makilomita kukuma kumakwoko.
And there was also a construction of prefabricated structure at Mpapama Clinic, and that is also completed.
Ruwa ne karo nduo ruwa nsa yokunuka nunga pofochi ku kliniki wa Mpapama projeka ya apwa.
And then there is a new green scheme at Machaare, and that is completed and it will start functioning this year.
Ndani pwadi projeka mpya ku Machaare o green scheme ndio unjimi oyo projeka nae apwa.
Rural sanitation and other services in the region. Construction of VIP toilets in the 5 rural constituency, Rundu Rural, Machaare, Ndongalinena, Ndiona and Mukwe at the cost of 2.3 million.
Eshiyoko hame na keho ku tundua na tokuko amwena haka mkunda. Eshi hatenda ko tundua na tokuko amwena mudhi mkunda dhovihe kuninga shiina kwa teramo shimu Rundu, Mambo, Machaare, Ndongalinena, Ndiona na Mukwe ya kosa mamiliona kuma mamiliona mawadi noi hupe.
And the installation of 14 boreholes, that is the one which I mentioned, funded by the South African government under the bilateral agreement for Kavango East region.
Amborore mambora kuma kumi no mane oa yana amba paya oaha tapire mashere nyokushwaira ku hurumendo wa Afrika ukuma mukutwara mumaku yuvero etu awatwa nyateritha.
The total cost for the entire project is 50 million to cover 4 regions: Kavango East, Kavango West, Kunene and Omaheke regions.
Eneo kwa kwatera mokwata pire kudhimkunda dhine omunakara Kavango Diva, Kavango Ditokera, Kunene na Omaheke.
And then there's a construction of stormwater drainage between Machaare Hotel and Nampol premises in Rundu Urban constituency at the cost of 6 million. This project was completed.
Ndani hatenda di pipe dishokuru pagachi koloji wa Machaare ndi hotela za Machaare no mberewa za wa maporisa momuno murundu odoropa ya kosa mamiliono kukuma kukwoko no miliona ya fochi oyo projeka apwa.
There's also the completion of the Namcol classrooms, ablution block, extension of science laboratory, and renovation of existing building to the tune of 6 million in Rundu urban constituency.
Ndani haturiza pa mangonda kukuhongera kumutara wa Namco ndiku yahana kuhongera nga hanu ke papao hathinda haturiza po manduo kukwa mwena ha tamununa ndiku kurisa diango diokuruane na ndi laboratorium ndani harouthura mayuo akarapokare oia kakosa yakakuma kumukoso kukuma kuma miliona koko no miliona ya fochi momuno murundu odoropa.
In the area of road infrastructure, I am pleased to report that the following achievements are worth mentioning.
Yokohama na ke kuitavura ni dishi na kona kumikuyuvitha ya tutomboka oino ina kurandako.
Maria Mwengere Road connecting the Rundu Vocational Center and UNAM Rundu campus at the cost of 12 million in Rundu. This project is near completion.
Esindira da Maria Mwengere odhidina kununge da nunga sana keo diango detu joku hongera yoku moko ndidi Rundu Vocational Center no shure detu dodi kuru da UNAM ya kosa mamiliona di 10 no mawadi momu no murundu olino proyeka tamba za kupwe.
Bwangungu Hamtenya Road upgraded to betterment standards in Rundu town at the cost of 11 million. The project is near completion.
Eshindirada Bwangungu Hamtenya hadi Rundu rake vishwae mukara kadhi yende panaro dhotea momu no murundu ayo kwa kosa keho mamiliona di 10 no miliona ofochi di 10 no ofochi ndani proyeka yo kuna kuyenda akapwe kumuruana.
These are the Rundu Town Council projects.
O maproyeka kwa Piterisa keho haka doropa dha Rundu. Bintango dha doropa dha Rundu.
Maintenance of existing gravel road in the region in all 6 constituencies in exception of Ndongali Nena, Ngogo Shakambu Ngaute and Divundu Mushangara roads, of which 6.4 million was spent. The project is completed.
Maro fuero osutavra sokaraka ndi maro fuero itavra yo karaka iya karapokare mu mikunda toruero dhodhi heya kushwa isako ndira dha Ndongali Nena, Gogo Shakambu Ngaute ndani ndira dha Divundu Mushangara o mandira haro uthura kwa kosa kema miliona kuma kukuoko fochi noi hupe ndani maproyeka o mahe hamana kuwa ruwana.
Maintenance of existing surface links in the entire road network in all constituencies of the cost of 5.9 million. I must mention that this is an ongoing exercise. Furthermore, Road Authority embarked on maintenance of road reserves in all major roads at the cost of 1.2 million.
Maroi soyoro oi tavura na kuipa ipa mumkunda torero dhodhi he kuna kunedashi kwa ruanisa masheri kuma miliona koko noi hupe ndani nakona kutoya panoshi othinothirua nane kadi thokusha thokuyenda ke pano kuso podioshi wa hakara nothiruana ndia ka road authority wa yatumbukera yokuhamena mukuroutha mandira haturisa pa makurando oku roitha mandira mumandira etu o makuru thikumenena oi ya kosa mamiliona kumiliona ofochi noi hupe.
Honorable Chairperson, ladies and gentlemen, following the delimitation of Kavango into 2 regions, East and West, it is important to inform the inhabitants of Kavango East region that this region has now a population of 146,100 151 and 151, 146,141, of which 47% is urban and 53% rural. This statistics was based on the report of Namibia Household Income and Expenditure Survey of 2015 and 2016.
Mukatipuna ofo kutunda pa hateta ure hatetire kavango hamuture mutara dhiwadi akare shi kavango diva no kavango di tokera idi mudio eshi hatungimo homno mukunda wetu wa kavango diva hanakumu kemo pathivare rothino tani kaitoe murumburu mfimbuku shupamba dishomu ikwate diana 146.000 151 davura masha ja 146.151 inakwatera keshi owahatunga mudoropa inakwatera mapersenda makuma neno kwoko wadi ndi 47% kwa tunga mdoropa 53% kwa tunga mukunda dhoko mambo oino kwa iwana keho kupitera mu makurando haruane hakona kone yeramo yeramo no itundamo haruane mwaka wa 2015 na 2016.
It's worth mentioning that most of the agricultural activities takes place in the rural area that include green schemes, small scale farming and subsistence farming. In addition, government also funded programs to the amount of 1.5 million under the regional council to support a number of unemployed communities for income generating projects under number 1, microfinancing scheme, employment scheme, and one region, one initiative. Cash of food for work, and then support resources for poor rural farmers and regional specific action plan beneficiaries.
Ya idimudio mukwito yashi thingi soirua nandi via dhoka yonjimi kwa hoko keranga kumutara o kumambo omumuna kwatera mambo mango atuna kutoya show green scheme ndani hakama hanjimiwa hakara panaro dhokwishi ndani hanjimiwa ya haninganga chunjimiwa o kudima hakukorere pamadhiko ao mukuwethererako uhurumende karo watapa masherenyi okukuma kumiliona ofochi no dihenda muku tapa kundango do kavango diva ndi kavango regional council haamwene haguva wahatunga mkunda wetu o wahapira iruana podioshi nao hawane yiramo oyidishi hanatapanga mutara okutanga eshihano kuma maproyeka kuma kumi mahatu no fochi hawapire tusherenyi haruane mangeshe fao ndani akaro makurando kuninga shihanu haturise pa iruana ya wathinda haka kavango regional council haamwene hano kukuma ku makumi mahatu no hawadi ndani mukunda fochi diano dio fochi na okaro makurando kwa amwene ko kukuma ku dikumi no fochi ndani iruana ndi masherenyu ukwateko okuruanena kuidia hatere makuma kudifere no makumi kwoko no maneno kwoko no hane ndani yokohame na makwati tsoko mu kwa mwena hanjimi owahakara shibadi hahepwe ku mkunda zoku mambo hamwene hanjimi okuma wadi no kuoko no ane ndani makurando amwe onaro zo mkunda okuninga shoyone kushimba kuturisa hapo mano owangu hamwene haguva hamwene mkeho hanokuma kumakumi mahatu no kuoko no hane oyoyoi hene kwa Peter keho mu makwati fisoko ondango za Kavango Diva.
All these interventions were aimed at addressing unemployment and poverty reduction in the region. It should be mentioned that approximately 273 households benefited through skills development, product marketing, and equipment and startup capital.
Kuninga shi yoihe ikamba dhara ke hondi iruana fitambo ne foso ku shwa ithapo mapiroropo iruana mumkunda wetu ndani kutepura uhepwe oudi mumkunda wetu panona kona kuitoyashi maimbo kukuma kumasere mawadi no makumi kuoko no mawadi no mahatu hoha wana mo maua kupitera mkuwa honga hakare no udimuki hawa honge esingebidio kuchingisa hana kuyangura ndani kuwa pako tushere ntonganji haure irua nisa ndani mashere nyonganji hatangise kwa mangeshe fao.
Honorable Chairperson, ladies and gentlemen, it is an imperative that I report on the regional initiative Operation Werengenje. This program was initiated with the aim of addressing hunger poverty within the framework of Harambee Prosperity Plan, Pillar 3, called Social Progression.
Mukasipuna also, handura ombono mangongo kazi, idishi panaro ke hozo mkunda wetu, toi repo natwe no maano etu, opatu areti repo diango, dio tunakutoyashi Werengenje. Wana makurando kwa turisirepo no fitambo muku kakengurura ku ndara no kukunyanda kwetu mukutwara mudiano di haturisa panaro do tunga di tunakutoyashi Harambee mukukengura di adiundi edidi hatera eshi pa uparo wetu mukachi ketu geb di shotu yende kuuso.
Given the regional resources endowment, the Kavango East region enjoys a competitive and comparative advantage with regard to rainfall, fertile soil, and water resources. The year under review bears testimony to the amount of rainfall the region received. It's more or less 400 to 600 millimeters. The region took advantage of the abundance of rainfall and fertile soil to introduce this food producing program called Operation Werengenje.
Yangeshi kukengura keho iwana mondi maushiato kara nao mkunda wetu wa Kavango Diva atwe kukona kukutanga wera kukona kukurika nyitha notokara no fia udhishi ngeshi kuna kuyashi kumvura muve ouyeave ndani meyu ono mwaka ketu na kengura pano udishi twa wana mvura oyua rika nyenenapo oyua kuma milimeta okutangira pa mafere mane itware kumafere kuoko fochi atwe twashimbire keho ororuveve no pamurando mvura okurikanye napo ndi omwingi ndani no muve wetu ouyeave otwatoko oreshi twakona kudima tuwanemo ituna kuyangura yotwaturere pokeho o makurandoshi Werengenje.
During 2017-2018 financial year, commendable progress of Operation Werengenje requires enumerating.
Kuningashi mumwaka ke unatuna kutoya unatuna kwamba urapa no 2017-2018 atwe twatwara kuutho noma kurandwetu awerengenje noya tupamo itundamo yoyuwa.
Under Operation Werengenje, a total of 1,750 hectares was plowed, 338 tons harvested, and 610 farmers benefited. In addition, the governor's office budgeted 600,000 that was equally divided and allocated to each of the 6 constituencies.
Kuninga simumakurandokea Werengenje kwa pururemo mahekta wapira kudimka hekta neo hekta fochine kapare kokusitera pari oto tupare nengo kwa 10 keho kudiyo video fochi no mafere kwoko no mawadi no makumi kwoko oone kwa purure o mahekta ndane matona oaha yangu ure muyangu kwa 10 kumafere mafere mahatu no makumi mahatu no kwoko hatu ndi 380 ton ndani hanjimi owaha wani nemo maua kwa 10 kumafere makumi kwoko fochi no di 610 ndani kuwedherako mberewa the governor kwa turthire po masherenyi okukuma kumayovi mafere kwoko fochi ndi 610 oa hata pere mudhi mukunda dhodhihe kwoko fochi mukunda wetu wa Kavango Diva.
During the year under review, Operation Werengenje had several planned activities that yielded tangible results. These activities include mobilization of the community and relevant stakeholders, needs assessment for farmers per constituency that requires plowing and weeding assistance. This exercise benefited 304 farmers for plowing and 306 farmers for weeding services.
Ya mwaka urotuna kengura Werengenje kwa karire no iruwa na itwa turire mudiano ndani ya katpire muyangu uwa eino ivia dhoka yetu kwa teremo mahonga wero ohanu ndani no hanu kukukarera twakengure nyanda yawa njimi kehemu mukunda torwero ei yokohamena kukupurura kukuhokora ndani ne ei akareti vereshi hanjimo kumafere mahatu no hanjimi hane hawane maua mukupurura ndani hanjimo kumafere mahatu no kwoko no yofochi hawane maua kuhamena kuruhoko.
Market mobilization and provision of transport to farmers to participate in the food expo and also funding of stands for exhibition.
Ya ndani machingiso no mahonga wero no mataperopo iendera kwa wanjimi mukuna kuhativera muinedha yoidia ndani kuwapa masherenyi okufuta koto atunduo tomanevero.
Mobilization of farmers to sell their surplus bags of millet or mahangu, which was 6,296 tons, to AMTA, that brought in a total amount of over 1.7 million to the beneficiaries.
Kuambisa no kuhongaura hanjimi haurife mahangu wa hanapiri ndi badia kwa ruwanisa maimbo ao ya tombo kireshi matona kukuma kuses pentuye nieheses tons haurifire ku AMTA ndi kudiango diata dimka kohana na uranga mahangu ya ningreshi ya reti vere mo yera ko haka mangeshi ndi ko haka hanjimi ya kumine kuma miliona fochi noihupe mowo haurithire mahango ao.
Apart from benefits accrued from the selling of products to AMTA and milling the produce, 46 local exhibitors from Kavango East participated in Food Expo by exhibiting their produce. Other categories among the Kavango East exhibitors were 18 farmers, 13 service providers, and 24 small traders.
Uninga chikushwa thake maua hawane pamrando kuuritha muyangu wao kwa AMTA. Hanevi idia yao o hokuma makuma neno kuoko fochi. Owo hana kuhatedhere maneve ropa idia. Na haneve muyangu wao. Ndani manaro amwe moo hana nevire kwa karemo hanjime hokuma kudikumi no kuoko no hatu. Ndani dikumi no hatu. Haka kutapa irua nitha. Ndani makuma wadi no hane owo haurithi hopa naro dho kwishi. Mukuwedherako.
In addition, some farmers donated 20 bags of 50 kg bags of mahangu to the office of the governor to support the needy members in the community in all 6 constituencies.
Mukuwedherako hanjimi hamwe hatapire mkushua papao hathinda kumberewa the governor mashaka o mshungwa omahangu okuma kilograma makumi kwoko keshaka okuma makuma wadi hatapire kumberewa the governor hatapere ko hanwa hana kunyanda mudhimkundaze pudhovihe kwoko noyo fochi.
In order to enhance the Operation Werengenje, the office of the governor initiated a visit to Mashonaland, West Zimbabwe. The delegation consisted of farmers, youth, business people, and government officials. The aim of the visit was to learn from best practices and establish collaboration in the area of food production.
Mukazeme na sikumashi Werengenje tukaende nendi kuso mberewa the governor the tursire poruyendoro kuyenda kumashona land west muditunga dia Zimbabwe owaha karire muruyendo kwa karire muhanjimi hamrereya haka mangeshefa ndani no harua ni muhurumende sitambo so mudhingu kwa karire tukakuhongereko mi eshingepi okuruana tukawane muyangu mwene.
Honorable Chairperson, ladies and gentlemen, beside economic impact alluded to, there were also some social interventions from various stakeholders that I should bring to your attention.
Ya mkatipuna also kushua ethako keho yokohame na pauparo tunaamba ndi natapa yakara ko koidi karo yakara papetu keho ditwa para twakamba dhara hakamba dhara hanu hamo kukarera ndiwa hatu kwatisanga ko di mudioshi na kona kuiyuvitha diare.
In the area of health and social welfare, the Ministry of Health and Social Service successfully implemented several programs such as malaria control with 85% coverage.
Ya kumutara keo njewano karomwene uministri uya waitomboka mukuturisa hapo makurando ira muku kona malaria ndani woya watomboka muku kwatera mukunda wetu hakubithake kuma persenda makumi kwoko no mahatu no makwoko.
Family planning where 13% improvement was recorded.
Ndani ya yoku kukungashi badi kureta reta vene yokene ya watomboka kuma persenda dikumi no mahatu.
Prevention of HIV/AIDS transmission from mother to child program At Nyangana Hospital in Ndonga Linena constituency, 100% achievement was recorded.
Ndani kukanda nako makuhanyise rodi hamba dio HIV and AIDS kutunda kwa nyina iende kwa mwana kusipatira sanyangana mumukunda torero wa Ndonga Linena oyo kwa ikumisa mokeho mapersenda difere. 100%.
And then male circumcision, an achievement of 68% was attained in the region.
Makengeno hawa tuturu nayo hairuana mumukunda haka kumake kuma persenda makumi kuoko no fochi no kuoko no mahatu o mapersenda haka kumi sakeho mumukunda weto uhe.
It is today known as a smart card.
Shipanoke ne kuna kuito yashi smart card keho. Shikuteta kuyakosu wana vene badi kwa yaranga yayo na yokara.
The Ministry of Land Reform and Resettlement also made significant contribution to small-scale farmers in providing agricultural skills under communal land development project that benefited 210 farmers in the region.
Uministri o marose ro muve no uturo na okaro hawedera ko kwa wa njimi opana o njimi okushi mukuwapa udimuki munjimi mukutwara mukunda zoku mambo maproyeka oma yeyukero eyi areti vere po maua kwa njimi okuma kumafere mawadi no hanjimi di 10 mumkunda wetu.
The Ministry of Home Affairs also made progress on birth and death registration with regards to automation and computerization of records. During the year under review, the ministry issued 10,682 birth certificates and 10,087 identification documents.
Uministri o mwimizo ditunga ndio mudimbo nao yawatombo kagamana na mukutapera mambapira okakoachi ndani mambapira oifa pamrandu oshi hatapa hachinja makurando ao hatureke automatic kwa tura mu computer ono mwaka tuna kwa amba urawo kwa tapera keho mambapira okakoachi ndi mambapira omshamurukero okukuma ku 10 days and 680 ndani ma ID okukuma 10 days and 7
Veterinary service under the Ministry of Agriculture made good progress on vaccination. This is a challenge we will remain put with in foreseeable future to improve the regional and the national outlook.
Osino sidishi vindi esi tuna kumona shikukona sika red terepo ukukutuku usoko mukukaro usura ukaro udi mumukunda wetu.
The third challenge is lack of rural access roads. There is a lack of access roads to small-scale farmers and some communal farming areas. Adequate budget is required for development of access roads to these farming areas.
Simwe kuninga shibadi tudino maira mandira okuroera okuyenda tukakume kwa wanjimi wakara no mafara mao ndi kumangoko kwa hoko keranga unjimi kumambo kuninga shi twanyanda mayerekero mashere nyokurikanye napo podioshi mayeyukero akakarepo ngeshi pakakare mandira okakuma kumafarama ndiko wana kukambadhara muunjimi.
The next challenge is inadequate rural electrification. In the 5 constituencies, Rundu Rural, Mashare, Ndonga Linena, Ndiona, and Mukwe, the implementation of the rural electrification program has been halted for the past 6 years since 2012.
Ya ndani marucheno owapira kumenamo mudhimkunda tororero dhodhihe koko no foji rundu me koko dhodhihe sha mkunda koko omuna kwatirashi rundu okumambo mashare ndonga ninena ndiona na mukwe eshimatapero rucheno kwe mana miaka dho kuma koko no dhiwadi kushwa mu 2012 kadiko karko hatapa rucheno mudhi mkundadho.
The next challenge is poor or lack of network coverage and essential services. In most rural constituencies, there's poor or totally lack of network coverage and other essential services.
Ya kuninga chithimwe nungathano dhopa ma cell phone mumukunda wetu eshi mukunda wetu ndi mukunda towero kumango amwe kuwanashi network ni nungathano badiko ndi hanu kunyandera hamwe kudhina kuitondo hamwe kureka ma cell phone kuitondo hamwe kushana shipathuru thonganji so kuningashi oyana ukukutu una kuretirapo ukukutushi hakuva wetu badi hana kukuwana diodia roera.
The other challenge is inadequate potable water and sanitation in 5 rural constituencies remain a challenge that requires government intervention.
Ndani meyu o mawa oku aukanguke eshinao adi no kukutu ndani no mango oku kwamwe na haguva mu mkunda koko dhoku mambo dhetu ndi mkunda towero wetu oyo nayo ne idi no kukutu ya nyanda makuture romo o hurumende.
The next challenge is higher unemployment. Despite the notable significant stride made, the region still faces higher unemployment rate, especially amongst our youth.
Uningashi mapieropo iruwana okuye yukathikumene ngambi kengeshi makamba dharo nditwa kamba dhara nopa ya eneshime mukunda wetu unaitamba mapiroropo ndi mapiroropo iruwana thikumene hapo mukachi kawa morere ya.
The next challenge is teenage pregnancy. It is still on the rise despite a concerted effort made by relevant stakeholders.
Tokurandako marao wanuke shime kuna kusivarero kuna kuyeyuka sina kuyeyuka ngambi kenge hakutura moya roera eshe hakandane marao kuyeyuka sivarero kuna kurundura sina kurundura.
The next challenge is lack of identification documents. Despite progress made on automation and computerization of birth and death registration of the inhabitants, there are many people in the rural constituencies, even in the urban constituencies, who don't have national documents. Consequently, they have been excluded from the government benefits and services.
Kukutu mwetu dinao eshi hanu wetu badi hadi no mambapira oditunga. Ikareshi bapira dhoka koachi, ikareshi ID no mambapira amwe. Pamoranga bikengeshi ooya tumbukera. Haitura ke indu ikare automatic, haitura mumo computer. Ene shime thingi itho hakuva wetu mudhi mkunda vetu kadi hadi no mambapira oditunga. Ina kareti dherapo keshi awo kada kawana ke uno uwa o hana kuwana hokuthia rako.
The next challenge is lack of markets for the regional produce of small scale and communal farmers. Apart from Food Expo and AMTA, there's still a lack of markets for farmers in the region.
Danu kukutu mwetu dinao mauri thero omu yangu tuna hana kuwana hanjimi wetu ikareshi hanjimi hopanardo pawiru ndi hanjimi hokwishi kushwa ithako aya makurando twakare nao okuna netha muyangu wao na amta shime hanjimi wetu kadi hadi no maurithero oyi hana kuyangura.
The next challenge is human-world conflict. Although the region recognizes government's approach on the coexistence of human and wildlife in conservancies, there is still a challenge of human-wildlife conflict. There is a need for the government to respond to the inhabitants' outcry, to improve the responsiveness, time frame for payment, and minimize human-wild conflict.
Ukukutu mwetu dinaone ngovo pakachi ko iyama yo mthitu no hanu wetu. Ngambi kengeshi mkunda wetu wadimu kashi uhurumende ngepidi unema na yohame na ngovo zo ndani ngepidi shwa pare haguva no iyama yo mthitu sikumena pone mumangoa hamune nanga iyama ira muma conservancies ene shime tu dino kukutu on ngovo pakachi koi iyama yo mthitu no haguva wetu idi mudioshi uhurumende wakona kuterera ko hanu owahatunga mukunda vetu akona kuterera ku madiro ao podioshi akona kepa no wangu kutambukera ngapo ngeshi hana waku ndi hana wetha akona kutura hapo ruvede rokurikanya rokutapa iya iruweranga ndi futodo hatura hapo ndani haurumuthe oyo odongovo pakachiko hanu no iyama yo mthitu.
When I talk about the government, I'm talking about us, especially those who are given the responsibility in that domain.
Kuninga shinge kuna kwamba kuhurumende yatwe na tamba kumena patwetu anu atu hapa thiruana soko hame na ko.
Honorable Chairperson, in addition to peace and stability, the current political atmosphere supports the present development trajectory. The situation has given the region impetus or motivation to take advantage of the regional resources endowment, such as availability of agricultural land and water, to enhance food production, eradicate poverty and hunger in line with the Sustainable Development Goals, and promote food security as articulated in the NDP 5.
Mukatipuna oso mukuwelera kuthiraro no karo mwene utwakara nao muno mditunga no mpepo opanaro zo politika oina kukwati sakoshi ku mumayeyukero pa uparo pa politika ukaro kuna kupashi atwe twaka mkunda wakavango diva twakona kurua nitha o ukaro mwene pa politika no pa uparo munoi wanai tutawana thikuma pone twakara no muve o uyave twakara no meyu twakona kuirua nitha yo tuyangure idia ndani tukashwa ithepo ndara tukashwa ithepo uhepwe kutwara moya mwitambo ihana kutoa Sustainable Development Goals okutanga no uwadi podio shitwe kepa no twimbe dimbo dio kukarashi tudino idia narikanya mukachiketu.
Honorable Chairperson and distinguished residents of Kavango East Region, as I conclude, I express my gratitude to the central government, regional leadership, traditional authorities, international community, business community, private sectors, NGOs, and residents of the Kavango East region for the pivotal role you have played in making the implementation of the government programs and services possible.
Kengeno kena kuyendani kahuru seno se ambasange nashana kutumera kuhurumende opanardo kuwiru hapitersi panardo mkunda hapitersi hopa sicho ndani haende tu watu kwa tsanga po panunda do matunga haka mangeshefa mitara zo kukarera mitara zitapita kuhame na kuhurumende hatungimo mumukunda wa Kavango Diva koi bakutureremo enu oama kuturamo mukuningashi maproyeka o hurumende iruana yo hurumende tuiture mu iruana.
As I conclude, I wish to extend an invitation to local and foreign investors to come on board and invest in the region in an effort to create employment and reduce poverty amongst our people.
Panokeho nashana kutapa ndi kwitha haguva wetu o watu ngabutunga ndi hapungurisi mashere nye wahakara muimi zo tunga hapungurisi mashere nye hakara panunda zo tunga he natukupakerere na hapungurisi mumkunda uno no sitambo shi tukaturise po iruana no tukatepure uhepwe mukachi kohanu wetu.
I thank you very much. Harambe!
Harambe! Exclusive Get Two Records.
Kavango wakara no mema nalivu yali wave Nitondo mushoni linyango na vikorama Kavango ove shishete shana mibia